The last time last time I tried the game, my microphone was not working, so now I'm starting again. But although I left the game halfway through, there's no continue option, so I guess this counts as a bug. So I start a new game.
Hey, you woke up.
Okay,
It is good.
I get
Hibernation
that it's an
lingered,
alpha,
but I could not
but
help with
I
that.
would like
Your
a way
functions
to
are
skip
being restored, so for now
the
just
subtitles.
relax and listen to me carefully.
Graphics
I will
are
help you
nice.
get back in duty.
Sound design.
You are a security
nice.
protocol. We are orbiting the planet in a secret space station. We
Yeah,
are
το
created
δείξω
for emergency
στους developers
situations. It
για
seems that this is
στους
exactly what
προγραμματιστές για
happened
να
here.
καταλάβουν ακριβώς τι σκέφτομαι.
Your body inside that
Okay,
capsule,
yes, I would
we
like
still
to
can
skip.
effectively support it.
I really
For
like
you, this is all
the
like a
effect
dream,
on the
but your
hands.
consciousness is here with me.
It's really
If the energy
nice.
runs out, or we will be assaulted, you will die. For me it will be a great loss, also I will immediately die with you, but more on that later. In order to protect you from going crazy due to isolation at the station, the engineers integrated social algorithms into me. I can offer you to play chess, tell jokes, maintain communication, and also have the flirting function. It seems to me that the latest function sometimes glitches, but I think you can figure it out. Because you are so smart and strong.
Okay.
After the incident, I had enough capacity to support you all this time, and yesterday, I managed to successfully run backup power. Now, you can feel yourself in the form of a hologram.
Yes.
This will make it easier for your brain to process the data. To move in the area, use a stick on the left controller. For turns, stick on the right controller. These manipulators allow you to explore the environment.
Okay, let's go.
Come to me. Do you see these hands?
Yes.
These are training manipulators.
Here,
They will help you to interact with material objects on our base. Activate them by matching your holographic projections with their carcass.
Yeah.
Similar hands will be in those robotic shells, which we will take in control. As you understood, we have the last power.
Okay.
We are in the abandoned areas. Dusty and dark. Here the last battles took place and there are still remnants of people. Everyone believed that help would come soon. In vain. Let's try to turn on the emergency lighting. That's better, right? Let's go down now.
Okay. What about here? It's so dark.
In this place they hold
Yeah.
a line of defense. I wonder how long they held and from what they died. Nearby there are debris of robotic shells. Maybe, was there a fight? There is a chance to
so
redistribute the power
there is
inside. You have to connect to the
switch.
terminal, and I will activate the current block.
Okay. Nice graphics.
Oh, that was unexpected.
Okay.
You need to move forward. There is an energy pulse.
There's an energy pulse. Okay.
Behind the bridge near the hangars, there is an entry point to the network of the energy system. We'll take the rest energy from it to our base. Such points are the main goal. I will redirect the flows for our base. Your capsule should
station.
receive energy.
Yeah, I see it over here. Yeah, now I get it. But maybe you should say in the tutorial that the scanned devices are highlighted. Okay.
Here is a less amount of energy than I expected.
don't
It
get
enough only
what
for a
the
deeper
energy
scan and rehacking. Wait a
I'm
bit.
using it for scanning. And then,
I found an energy signature in the old factory for the producing and testing
Okay.
builder shells. Be ready to dive in. I transfer your consciousness.
Transfer. Okay.
We have arrived. This is a factory for crash tests. There should be a connection node to the energy network. It is behind the testing ground.
Okay.
You again have a rejected model. Because of the defect, they did not even make it to the testing
I
line.
don't know what.
But I am sure that under your control we will complete an obstacle
5
course.
meters. Open. Okay, scan.
The door is locked. You need to find the access code. Try to connect to a laptop in the next room.
Okay. Open the door. Go find the laptop. Okay.
Code 0451. P.S. I changed the testing system to the active phase. It is difficult to understand how much robotic shells have evolved, but I hope turrets and lasers will delay the first wave. You found the right numbers. Perfect. Hurry up, open the door to the main chamber. There is a highlighted dial on the stand. Operator's chamber. I found out that robotic shells with this firmware have the ability of a dimensional dash. It performs a sharp shift in the direction chosen by the operator. To use it, select direction and press the activator on the right hand. Your objective is to master the technique of a sharp dash.
Okay.
Consider that this is your young fighter obstacle course. I'll give you the Robo Scout badge.
Okay.
Move your iron ass while you're alive.
No. Okay, let's try the dash function, maybe. Yes. Okay.
It was not
Yes.
difficult. A more tough test awaits you
Let's
further.
try that one. Yeah. Okay, I got it.
Here will be a sharpness test. As soon as you push the lever, you need to make several straight dashes. If you do everything
Okay.
right, the door won't crush you and we will finish this test. After final scanning and systems testing, the Commission sent the models for revision or improvement. Come to the bridge. Time to get wet in
I
the
was
rain.
saying
Do not be afraid of rust.
the rain
Soon
effect
I will
on
take
the
your
helmet is
consciousness out of your
nice,
shell.
but over here on the floor it seems a little bit broken, and the rain seems like it's emanating from a certain ceiling. Okay.
Power center
Power
ahead.
center.
Redistribute as many energy streams as possible to our base. The procedure is already familiar to you.
Okay, get the energy.
Splendidly. Slightly better, but still not enough. Get ready to dive
Well,
in.
I see
I
my
spotted another energy
and
stream.
What is the purpose? Maybe the battery on the top right? Maybe.
This is another typical abandoned assembly factory, but in a different part of this planet.
Maybe.
Attention.
Okay.
You are in the working model. This time there is no technical defect. You have a repair robot and with a tool in his hands. Get the tool. This will be the first time, so you need to figure it out. A welding unit and a multifunctional shock charger are available for us. I will show you a holographic manual.
So
We are
I'm
locked
stuck.
in this
I
chamber.
tried the
We
dust.
need to supply
I'm
with
stuck
power the
right
door.
now.
Find
And
the
I'm dusting
distribution
back
board.
boards
A
that I can't
large,
move.
hanging on the wall, box should be somewhere nearby. Check your systems. You have a holographic inventory on your left hand. To open it, click on the controller, a grip button. When you choose one of the tools, just pull it out with your other hand. The program will teleport your weapons from the base. Spread the contour to the full capacity. To the full capacity, my
Great
dear.
effect.
Do not be afraid to throw the tool away or lose it. You can always get a new one. We have them in abundance for a life of continuous work. They put
Okay.
seals on it. Cut them with a welding machine. They put seals on it. Cut them with a welding machine. The board is open, and this is good. Let's now try to return the voltage. Take your charger tool. Charge the batteries until the indicator light is full. Near the door should be a lever. Pull it on and move on.
Great.
Robots have launched new lines for cell-free production.
Okay.
Ahead is the main energy core of the plant. If everything works out, this will be enough for us to launch the main systems of our base.
Nah.
Find the stairs. We need to launch the reactor.
On the stairs. So what's going on here? So right now I need to save. Yeah, I have to disable that. But I have to save the game and go. How do I save the game? Settings. Okay, let's see.
Hey, you woke up. It is good. Hibernation lingered, but I could not help with